Bakit ho Janice de Belen Day bukas dito sa GMA7? Because she stars in both Magpakailanman and Wish Ko Lang.
I know!
Wow!
Oh my God! Kahit ako na-shock, totoo ba?
Okay. Saan yung may, you fall in love with a younger man?
That is for Wish Ko Lang.
That's really cute. I caught that sa TikTok po. Ito ba yung may gripo?
Yes, yan yung may gripo, oo.
Ang cute mo doon.
Do you know that it was quite... Nag-isip ako eh. Tinanggap ko kasi I like working with Direk Adol.
Okay.
I like working with him. So if I like working with you, pagka sinabi mong guest, oo, kaagad ako. Tapos nung nabasa ko yung script, sabi ko, kaya ko pa ba ito? Kasi medyo, oh my God, kaya ko pa ba ito? Medyo baka weird na, yung medyo nakakadiring tingnan. Yun yung di ba? Yung totoo lang, yung talaga inisip ko, baka naman sabihin nila, nakakadiri naman to si Janice.
Okay.
So sabi ko, kaya ko pa ba to? So pinag-isapan namin ni Adolf, relax lang, kalma lang. So,
I love that scene.
di ba?
Oh,
so dapat konti lang, wag OA.
Oo, yung I like that tension. Gusto ko yung nahawakan ka na, 'di ba? Would you fall in love with somebody as young as Alex? 'Di ba? Is that Alex in the scene?
Alex Diaz, yes.
Oo, Alex Diaz is there.
May limitasyon
Congratulations.
naman ako, Tita Boy.
May limitasyon
May
ka.
limitasyon
Kailangan hanggang ditong edad.
Hanggang dito lang.
And what age is that?
Ngayon, it doesn't really matter. Hanggang 10 lang tayo. Pero
Hanggang?
hindi na rin. Hanggang 10 years younger.
10 years
Because
younger.
my last boyfriend was 10 years younger than I
Okay.
am. Pero parang wag na lang.
Pero are you open? Are you bukas with... No, talaga?
No more, Tito
You don't wanna
Boy.
go into a relationship anymore?
Hindi ko na alam what a relationship is. Eh.
Pero minsan pag sinasabi mong hindi, doon nangyayari ang lahat.
Ay, hindi. Nakipag-ano na ako, nakipag-deal
Deal.
na ako with God.
Oo na, hanggang-
Talagang wag na. And you know, people tell me, wag ganon, Janice, kasi baka marinig yan ng mangyari talaga. Yan naman talaga yung gusto kong mangyari.
Okay.
Ayoko na talaga because first, it's been, what, 18 years? 18 ba o more?
Okay.
Parang more. Ay, hindi, 18 years. It's been 18 years. Ano na ba ang dating... Ano na ba ang nangyayari sa dating
changed lang. You
scene?
don't know ang galawan.
I don't know
Oo,
anymore.
right.
I don't know. Ano ba dapat? Ano ba yung ethics? Ano ba yung mga etiquette ngayon? Hindi ko na alam, di ba?
Correct.
Or, tsaka, I've seen so many bad things happen with relationships.
I get it.
Ang dami ko nang nakikita, ang dami ko nang kaibigan na boys. So, nakikita ko na, ang dami ko nang narinig ko na yung mga opinion nila, mga ano
Right.
nila.
Magpakailanman na lang.
Hindi na kaya.
Imbita.